Throughout the past decade, the automotive industry has demonstrated increased advancements in several key areas. Now, developments in engine technology, vehicle automation, and the materials used to manufacture automobiles are driving the automotive sector forward.
So there's a lot of changes happening right now in the automobile industry. While self-driving cars get all the primary attention and focus in the media, we know that that's not really the primary focus of the vehicle manufacturers. The primary focus of the vehicle manufacturers is to build vehicles that will prevent accidents, to prevent fatalities, and minimize bodily injuries. In 2014, the World Health Organization predicted that if nothing changed, that people dying as a result of car accidents would be the 5th leading cause of death by 2030. So therefore, the primary focus of the vehicle manufacturers is incorporating technology in order to have accident avoidance systems such as a blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, and other types of features.
Today, about 90% of all car accidents can be attributed to human error. Billions of dollars are lost to traffic jams, some 13% of which are down to driver error. However, advanced driver assistance systems appear ready to change all that.
Advanced driver assistance systems vary depending on the car manufacturer. Generally speaking, advanced driver assistance systems aid the driver in a few ways, and among them, supporting collision avoidance and alleviating driver stress. Some examples are collision and pedestrian warning, junction warning, lane departure warning, avoidance assistance, emergency stop assistance, active cruise control with stop and go, parking maneuvering assistant, and reversing assistant.
As vehicles become more complex, repair processes and techniques have to evolve.
Original equipment manufacturers, which are often referred to as OEM, not only design, engineer, and manufacture vehicles, but may also have OEM repair specifications. This may include diagnosis and calibration of systems which were affected by the collision. It is imperative the vehicle performs as designed if involved in a future collision. As technology and design continually evolves and improves, it is essential the repair centers have proper tools, equipment, and training.
Repairers not only need to invest in the right diagnostic and repair equipment, but also in the skills of their technicians.
So we know that the vehicle manufacturers, their primary goal is to fix vehicles that can keep consumers safe. And one of the ways they do this is they're utilizing different substrates. And that's why it's critical that a consumer today, should they have a vehicle that's in an accident, make sure that their vehicle is being repaired at a shop that has A, the proper equipment, and B, the proper training. Today's vehicles are basically a smart device on wheels. So due to this advancing rapid change and implementation of technology, it's absolutely critical that when a vehicle is repaired, we have to understand the precision of how these vehicles should be put back after an accident.
BETAG Innovation is focused on developing the knowledge, skills, and performance of collision repair estimators and technicians to enable them to properly research, identify, and undertake the appropriate repair procedures.
BETAG Innovation is actually originally a Swiss-based company. We are globally positioned and we are working mainly in the auto collision repair industry in different areas. One area that we cover is the training segment. There we are providing different training programs, training solutions for several car manufacturers, independent repair centers, and also insurance companies. The other aspect that we're working on is providing and developing repair procedures, repair systems to improve the quality of the repairs, reduce the repair time for the customer, and also to make the repairs more economical.
BETAG Innovation's education program offers a wide range of practical, hands-on training courses. Available globally, estimators and technicians return to work confident in their new skills and ready to add immediate value by increasing workshop productivity.
BETAG does a great job of training technicians as well as providing the proper equipment to ensure a safe and proper repair. You see, a lot of components today are not made to be repaired. They must be replaced. And this is where BETAG offers training for estimators to be able to analyze the damage, to determine the severity of the damage for repair versus replace, as well as for the technicians to also know that should it be repaired, what is the proper repair technique so they don't create further damage. I've been in training classes and even conducted some of them myself as an industry consultant, where there'll be anywhere from 35 to 100 people in a class. One of the things that BETAG does a great job of is they focus again on the quality of the training, and they keep their class sizes down to 8 to 10 people. In addition, it's a great mixture of both hands-on as well as theory or classroom training. And so therefore, what my experience has been with the BETAG organization is that they focus on the quality of training and keeping their student class sizes down small and mixing it with hands-on practical training as well as theory.
In addition to education, BETAG collaborates with auto manufacturers to develop modern, innovative repair methods and produces a range of specialized tools necessary for repairing today's vehicles properly and efficiently.
Tools like our aluminum T-Hotbox and flatliner system are great because they enable technicians to restore the safety characteristics, functionality, durability, and aesthetics of a panel. As cars continue to evolve and repairs become more costly, our approach will play a major role in ensuring that damaged cars continue to be repaired properly and also economically for the benefit of everyone.
For more information, visit betaginnovation.com.